Affiliate link tracking problem. We sometimes receive questions about affiliate commissions that have not been assigned to the right person. Our technical team has checked, and each time we have come to the same conclusion: the tracking works perfectly, and this is due to the client's error. Reminder: the Systeme.io affiliate program is a last cookie affiliate program. It means that it's the last affiliate link the customer clicked on that will receive the benefit. Example: someone clicks on the link of affiliate A and signs up to get a free account at Systeme.io. 3 weeks later, he clicks on the link of affiliate B and takes a paid subscription. Result: affiliate B will be credited with the sale. Don't think that's fair. In any case, a decision has to be made, and only one of the two affiliates will be credited with the sale. One time it will be in your favor, another time it will be in your disadvantage. The most important is that the system is consistent every time and that it does not favor one affiliate over another. To illustrate what has just been said, here's an example. Affiliate A contacted us because the sale of a person who had registered with his affiliate link to get a free plan was given to affiliate B the day this customer took a paid subscription. Because in the meantime he had clicked on affiliate B's link, the same day, affiliate C contacted us because the same situation had arisen to the benefit of affiliate A. So that's what we were saying: sometimes this system will work in your favor, and sometimes not. Over time, you will be rewarded for your efforts, so the solution is to continue to promote the affiliate program to earn more commissions. A solution: if someone wants you to be their affiliate, just make sure they click on your affiliate link just before making the payment. To go further, click here to see how the Systeme.io affiliate program works.